TASC allows you to generate bills of quantities in three ways: manually creating BQ, importing existing Excel, and linking TBQ projects. First, let's look at manually creating BQ. Generally, a BQ is consisting of bills and elements. You can create the bills and elements you want based on your project size. Under each element, you can create items at three different levels: heading, subheading, and items. In addition, you can create a note to add remarks to a specific bill item, or you can import Excel files to generate bill items. Let's take an actual BQ as an example. In the Import Excel file window, the selected Excel schedule is displayed in the middle. The procedure of auto-identify is click identify column, click identify row, make adjustments as needed, click identify. The values in the identified cells will be generated to the identification results. On the identification result tab, you can see whether the BQ is generated correctly. If not, you can identify the items again or modify the attributes manually. Another way to generate bills of quantity is by linking the current project with a TBQ project. TBQ is specifically designed by Cubicos to deal with bills of quantities. By saving projects on a server, TBQ is very suitable for the user to perform collaborative quantity takeoff and cost estimating. After you link a TASC model with TBQ, you will see the bill of quantity created in TBQ displayed in the middle. You can check in or out of the bill and elements you want to edit or upload, and update them at real time. Let's go back to the BQ module. Once you've got the BQ, you will need to associate the quantities with the bill items. In the View Quantity by Category window, to establish the association with the specified item, you just need to drag or double click the quantity value you want. For example, you can add the concrete volume of the superstructure to the corresponding bill item. You will see the details displayed under the bill item automatically, making it easy to check. After adding the corresponding quantities for each bill item, you might run across the following scenarios: checking the BQ, dealing with quantity changes. You can check BQ in three different aspects. First, if you want to find out which entities in the model are matching with specific quantity, you can click with the corresponding quantity cell. Then, select Reversely Check Model. Second, if you want to view which bill items have reference to selected quantity, you can check the model quantities against the bill items. Third, if you want to check the bill items individually or filter out the unchecked ones, you can use Check BQ. Once changes occur to quantities, you can save the original quantities as a baseline. Then, after the addition or deductions of quantities, you can easily get the variation quantities based on the saved baseline quantities at any time. This enables you to deal with changes more rapidly. Lastly, you can export BQ to Excel for advanced editing or direct use at any time. To complete the quantity extraction and cost estimation of a BQ,